Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the DOMS metallic brush pens. DOMS recently launched its metallic set of brush pens for a very low price. These have been out of stock on major sites like Flipkart and Amazon. It was a really hard deal to get your hand on one of these sets. Now before starting with the video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. If you are new to calligraphy, you can purchase our worksheets. These are beginner friendly worksheets. The link is in the description box. Now starting off with the review. This is the set of DOMS metallic brush pens. They are packed in a transparent case. There are 10 brush pens in this set. As you can see, they have a variety of color options. The only disappointment over here is there is 2 shades of green. They could have easily added some other color. They also have given 2 shades of orange, which again is quite disappointing because they have similar texture. We'll soon see how do they work on different papers. Now, these pens, they are for INR 250 rupees. You can easily get them in your local market, but I think they are not readily available right now in the market. So you can just order it from Amazon or Flipkart. My coupon code will be linked in the description box. You can go there and have your coupon code to avail a discount of 5 to 10% on Amazon. Now, these clearly state that there are 10 metallic shades with opaque and water-based ink enabled to create a sparkling effect on both light and dark surfaces, ideal for modern calligraphy, decorative writing and gifting ideas. So I clearly agree with these points that they are best for gifting. If you know someone who is very much interested in calligraphy, since they are not very expensive compared to the other options that are available in the market. They range from rupees 600, 700, 1200 and Karen's up to rupees 2500. Now let's get to the swatches of these colors that we get over here. The body is very similar to the old brush pens that we have for the DOMS. These are the simple ones and these are the metallic brush pens. Let's begin with our swatches. This is the gold shade that we get in the box, although the cap is yellow in color. Next up we have the silver shade. The silver color has a very pretty shine with it, which is lacking in the gold. As you can see, the strokes are opaque. They are not losing the opacity. Although the silver color is different from the shade of the pen cap, which is white in color. Next up we have the dark grey, which appears to be black in color on the white paper. This again lacks the metallic shine. Next up we have the pink shade. The pink is also different from that which you will see on the cap. It is actually a dusty pink. Now these colors are really juicy, as you can see. It would be better if you use them on a paper which is thick, otherwise they will lead to bleeding. The blue color appears perfectly fine on white paper. Now the biggest disappointment is the brown shade. It is not the brown that you will expect it to be. The orange color again is different from that which appears on the cap. It is less bright. Now this beautiful color is turquoise. It has a very beautiful shine with it. Next up we have the light green color. The light green, turquoise and silver are really pretty in this set. Now let's have a look at our swatches. As I am moving forward, you yourself will feel that the colors are having more of a matte finish. It is only the turquoise, light green and silver that is having the metallic sheen to it. Now moving forward with the video, let's try these brush pens on a different paper. Here I am using a heavyweight paper. It is a heavyweight smooth paper. Let's see if we have some change in colors. while we use it on a heavy paper. Okay, so our swatches have turned out to be similar as we got it on the JK Sidar paper. All the colors that were having a metallic shine on the previous paper, it is similar to what we have got here on this heavyweight paper. The silver, turquoise and light green is having the same shine. Now let's try to swatch these pens again on a different paper. This time I am using a black sheet. Okay, so our blue color has turned out to be really pretty and it is opaque throughout the strokes. Surprisingly, the black color works well on the black sheet as well. The colors are very vibrant on the black sheet. The colors look amazing. My favorite out of these is the blue and the turquoise. The pink color has got a nice pinkish shade on the black paper which was missing on the white sheet. The black also looks better on the black sheet and it has attained a shine which was again lacking on the black paper. The turquoise, light green and the silver color have the same sheen as it was visible on the white paper. The orange color in particular lacks opacity when we transit it from upstroke to downstroke, and again having two shades of similar color is not very appealing to the eyes and I don't think I will be using it much. Moving forward with the review, now we'll see if we can blend these brush pens. Here I have tried to blend the normal DOMS brush pens. As you can see, we get an ombre shade or the ombre pattern in the letters. Let's see if the metallic pens are able to do this. I'm picking up some pigment from the purple color. Okay, so we get no blend over here. Let's try it with the purple shade. Again, there is no blend. Let's try to make it blend with the palette technique. So to our disappointment, we do not get any blend. I could see some shade of purple in the downstroke, but it is soon overtaken by the blue color. So these pens cannot be used for blending purposes at all. So this was my take on the DOMS metallic brush pens for INR 250 rupees. I believe these brush pens are the best that are available in this price range in the Indian market, and if you are willing to try some metallic brush pens, I would suggest you go for these exclusively. As we have seen earlier, they work pretty well on the black sheet. The metallic pens are purposely made to work on some darker paper. So if you have an urge to have some pens that work on dark sheet, you should definitely give it a try. Here is a piece that I created using these pens. Here I have used a little low quality paper, so the colors on the white paper seem to be a little diminished. But here on the darker side, the colors are really vibrant and it appears to be really appealing to the eyes. So do give it a try on these pens, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want to purchase these pens, the link is in the description box, and if you wish to have some worksheet for practice, you can mail us on our email ID or DM us on our Insta handle. Thank you for watching.